In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a photo collage on your iPhone without downloading any apps. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is find your shortcuts application. If you can't find it, swipe down in the middle of your screen and type in shortcuts like so, and then you're going to see this application right here as long as you're on at least iOS 18. Now, from here, what I got to go ahead and do is go to gallery on the bottom right, and I gotta find a little tool basically. So all I'm gonna do is go to search and then type in photo, and then once I type in photo, I'm gonna see a few options. I want to go ahead and press the plus icon on photo grid like so, and then I can go to my library and photo grid is right there. So all I want to do is go ahead and click on it. It's gonna ask me what images I want to include in this collage, so I can just go ahead and click a few right now, and I'll just pick like 3 different ones or 4 different ones actually. Once you've collected them, all you got to do is press the check mark on the top right. So just go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to be making your collage like so. And then if I want to go ahead and save it, on the bottom right, I'm going to see that little icon to share. Click on that, and then on the bottom, I'm going to see save image, so I can save it to my camera roll. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.